What's up, nail art addict? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Haley. In today's video, I'm gonna show you another spring nails. So let's get started. To start off, of course, I'm gonna use Holo Pillar Base Coat, Holo Play Rosé. Okay, I know I always say that my nail polish is gorgeous, but this nail polish, I mean, there is no word for it. Look at that holo. Please appreciate that, because I think I'm gonna run out soon. Okay, Haley, snap out of it. Anyways, I'm gonna use this uber chic stamping plate, Born Pretty yellow stamping polish, Maniology white stamping polish, uber chic nail art barrier, Maniology smudge-free top coat, and Holo glossy taco. As always, I'm gonna apply one coat of peel-off base coat, and I'm gonna apply 3 coats of Play Rosé. As the polish builds up on that third coat, it looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at that glide, that holo. Oh my gosh, it's like a dream come true. I gotta thank Christine for making this nail polish, because I really love it. Okay, let's get stamping. I'm gonna take that yellow stamping polish and apply it on this flower image. Pick it up, and I'm gonna do a reverse stamping. Just take a white polish and fill in those flowers, the middle part, and after that I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna apply this liquid barrier all around my nails to protect my skin, just in case if things get messy. After I let that flower dry, I can straight away stamp it on my nails, and this is a bit weird because I don't really like how it turned out, but well, what are you gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and remove the liquid latex and apply 1 coat of smudge-free top coat. And finally, I'm gonna apply Holo glossy taco just to smooth everything out, and of course make my mani last longer. I just want to let you know that I apply 2 coats of this glossy taco. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial, and please check out my Instagram page. I will put the link on the description box for you guys to check it out. And if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel to see more nail art. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you know when I'm uploading a new video. I see you guys soon. Bye.